iPad tips and tricks that you need to know. First, I'm going to navigate to the Files application. I'm going to go ahead and open up a file. I'm going to go ahead and use the markup tool, and then select the top 3 dots and then split view. Now I'm going to navigate to a graphing calculator to help me out with this worksheet. And as you can see, I can edit one application while also viewing the other. If I go ahead and swipe either way on the middle line, I can go back to one of the apps, again select split view, and then navigate to a TI-84 application, where again I can edit one application and still work on the other. Split view allows you to multitask and be more productive while working on 2 applications at once. You can even use apps like Quizlet to go ahead and make note cards while you're looking at your notes or your worksheet, and it's super efficient. Now I'm going to show you an alternative way to use split view. If you navigate to the Apple Books application, you can open any book of your choosing. You can read and use the interactive books in the Apple Books application while also taking notes, writing note cards, whatever it may be. So I'm going to show you here how you can take notes while also looking at your Apple Books. So as you can see, I can mark up the document and still have the accessibility to move pages, zoom in and zoom out on the textbook, watch the videos, etc. So this is how I use split view to be more productive.